Hey Matt, guess who just got 10,000 options in their new job offer?
You know what your 10K is worth? What's their last 409A? Do you have the cash to pay out them and the IRS the AMT?
I pay my taxes, man. Me and the IRS are good.
Do you even know what equity is, Kyle?
Hi everybody, I'm Nick.
And I'm Tommy, and just like you, we're tired of people not understanding their equity. We're going to power you with the knowledge you need to unlock your options, and maybe even save you some cash in the process. Who loves saving cash?
In this course on employee equity compensation, we'll cover topics like restricted stock awards, ISO and NSO stock options, restricted stock units, how to negotiate your equity, calculate the value of your stock options, and how to fund your equity purchase. In the past, most people were left to figure all this out on their own.
But not anymore, because we're here to help you
Know your equity!
Can we take off these Tony Robbins mics now?
Yeah, man, I'm not going to be able to stand this throughout the whole thing.